Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick trade review for December 8th, 2023. Recapping the day. Took two trades, one winner, one loser. Obviously the winner bigger than the loser. On the week though, down, Wednesday, Thursday, losing a percent of equity each day. 0 for 2 on those days. Just not great, but ended Friday on a positive note, so carry that into the weekend and into next week. So looking at the trades themselves, well, first let's go over here was the 0DT SPX structure coming in the day. 4600 big key level, we have plus GEX and COI, plus GEX being strike with the most gamma, COI being the strike with the most call open interest. You see transition 4580, 4585. So within that zone, a lot of chop. Outside of 4585, inclined to 4600, and below 4580, inclined to a little bit more downside. With that, let's look at what the tick did. So tick today, intraday kind of reversal. First trade I took was short, just because tick was trending lower on the day. We saw some significant selling to the downside. However, I flipped long. You'll see the second trade was successfully have an intraday bottom here, and then started to see some selling, some significant buying via the tick. Nice linear up day, so things look constructive there. So now looking at SPX. Dang, here's XPS. We're still 15 minutes till close, so chart's moving. But first short on the day came right around in this area, so you can see we were trending lower, rejected a couple times right around 4600. So the thought process was okay. We're making a lower high, perfect setup, rejecting right at prior day close. Only downside is we're at the top of transition zones, entering the chop zone. It took a short when we broke the low of this signal candle is what I call it right here. Got a great push lower, second candle push lower, then a sharp reversal all the way up. So, it took my stop. That's just not normal price action if we're going to continue lower. So that was a losing trade on the day. Looking back on it, really wasn't the worst trade. I was trading in the direction the market was trending at the time. One downfall, hindsight quarterbacking here, I think COTMP at the time was like 45.78. For those that don't know, it's cumulative out of the money puts. It's kind of the level where puts start to become from out of the money into money. They're likely to monetize and kind of get some flows higher. So that's what happened there. Second trade then was once the trend started to reverse, I think I got in right here. So you can see we were consolidating right here at 45.90. This is just kind of being a key resistance zone the last couple of days if you're into that kind of stuff. So we cleared the transition zone, consolidating right here. Play was to go to high of the day, which obviously I didn't hold full, or I should have, but 20 points risking. I got it right here. So risking like 4 points to make 20 points. It's a great move. Even up to plus GEX, which is where I ultimately got out. Risking 10 points for 4, so a little over 2 to 1. That's still fine. Just got an initial push higher, kind of chopping around. Ultimately, we made it all the way up to plus GEX of 4600, where I got out, and then it looks like we continued a high day. So original thesis was right, but honestly, going 0 for 5, I just wanted to book a winner, and so I had a nice move on the day and a green on the day up at 4600. Granted, that's where structure said we were going to peak to. That was the large, plus GEX level on the day. So I got out and took my profits, but we keep on running higher. So could have left a trailer on, but frankly, I sized the position down just given the losing streak last couple of days. But sum things up. 1 for 2 on the day, winner a lot bigger than the loser. That's what you want. So but going 0 for 2 both days, that's a killer. So hopefully no more 0 for 2 days, but part of trading. So, and it's been choppy. So with that, enjoy y'all's weekend. Talk to you later. Bye.